Before installing the piston cylinder module, connect it to the pressure generator controller and perform air bubble removal. Adjust the height of the 4 feet at the corners of the PDPG main body while referring to the level gauge to achieve approximate leveling. Turn and remove the cap of the piston cylinder post. Open the case of the piston cylinder and install it onto the mounting post by turning clockwise. Fix it with an Allen wrench so that the piston cylinder post rotation pin contacts the piston rotation pin and allows rotation. Place the piston cap on top of the piston. Place the bell on top of the piston cap. Load the main masses onto the bell in numerical order. Install the automated main mass handling unit. Load the binary masses onto the bell. Install the automated binary mass handling unit. After installing the automated binary mass handling unit, connect the pneumatic connector to the automated main mass handling unit by turning clockwise. Turn the trim mass tray shaft counterclockwise and install it onto the piston cap. After completing the installation of the PDPG-A main body, recheck the leveling. If it is not good, adjust the 4 feet at the corners of the PDPG main body again by referring to the level gauge. Connect the ambient probe to the back side of the PDPG-A terminal. Connect the PC temperature cable from PDPG-A base to automated main mass handling unit. Connect drive air supply. Drive must be 5 bar. Connect PDPG-A power supply. Do not turn on the power yet. Connect COM port cable from PDPG-A terminal to automated main mass handling unit. Press the power button on the backside of PDPG-A base to power on. After the PDPG-A terminal has finished booting, click the PDPG-A icon on the screen to run the program.